everybody, welcome back to Life in the Higham house. It's a very special day because today we're kicking off the 2024 Christmas decoration. The whole house is going to be transformed into our very own Christmas wonderland, and we're going to share it all with you. We got lots to do. Let's get started. Okay, friends, we are wrapping it up for today. You saw a bunch of the work that we've been doing around the house. You can see behind me, the mantle's almost finished. Over here we have the Christmas tree. Lights are on it. We're not decorating it yet. We have the kids coming in to help us do that this weekend. We've got, let's see, stuff over here. We've got stuff back here. We've got stuff on the bookshelves. You already saw some of outside. We will catch you up with everything as soon as we get everything done. But we want to try to keep these videos manageable so you can watch them and we watch them and it not consume your whole day. So make sure you check back. We'll have more updates. And then when it's all said and done, we will give you one video with our complete Christmas house tour. So you'll come back and see that. It'll probably happen in about a week or so. We still have a fair amount of decorating to do. Like, we still have to continue outside. Still have to continue in some of the rooms. We'll get it all done. We'll come and share it with you. But look, it's there. It's happening. Little sneak peeks. Oh, make sure you're following us on social media because we will start posting little snippets of things so you can get a look, advanced look at what we're doing and how things are coming out. Okay? So, follow us on social media. Go to lifeinthehigham.com. We will have more posts there. Christmas is here. We're kicking off the holiday season. Thanksgiving, Christmas, 2 amazing holidays rolled into one season of celebration. And we're looking forward to sharing it all with you. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're coming back. This is Life in the Higham House. We'll see you later.